Let's make flying card. The materials needed are a pair of scissors, scotch tape, 2 pieces of plastic cards, and a rubber band. Firstly, place the 2 cards together and tape them along its breadth. Then, flip it over and tape along the same breadth. Now, flip it a few times to make sure it is smooth to flip. The next part is to cut grooves along the length of the card. We will now cut grooves along the length on one side of the card first. Next, we will cut grooves directly across the first groove. Once the cuts are done, place a rubber band over the grooves of one cut. Then, twist the rubber band and place it over the grooves of the other cut. Now it's ready for you to play. You can also try with various forms of rubber bands, such as a smaller one. If it does not lift off easily, just give it a slight nudge. So there you have it, your own flying card game. Enjoy!